Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make pancakes for many people or a big party. I made the batter in batches, so this recipe fits 200 mouths, so feel free to multiply as desired. In an extra large bowl or container, we'll add the flour, the sugar, baking powder, baking soda, salt and nutmeg. The nutmeg is optional, so you can leave it out if you want to. We'll mix until well combined. Then we'll make a well in the middle of the bowl and add the whisked eggs, the melted butter, milk or buttermilk, vanilla extract, and lemon juice. The acidic lemon juice reacts with the alkaline baking soda and enhances the texture and flavor of this pancake, but you can leave out the lemon juice if you're using buttermilk. Mix thoroughly until well combined. It's okay if there are a few lumps in the batter. Now we'll leave the pancake batter to rest uncovered for 30 minutes so that the flour can absorb the liquids and the lumps will dissolve easily. After about 30 minutes, you'll notice that the lumps are reduced and the batter is fluffier. We'll start to mix the batter again. You can use a hand mixer to make the process faster. I wanted a lumpless batter, but a few tiny lumps in your batter is perfectly okay. Remember, we are only mixing to combine, so do not overmix your pancake batter. So now we'll oil and heat up a pan or griddle to 175 degrees centigrade or 347 degrees Fahrenheit. Using half cupfuls, scoop the batter onto the preheated griddle and cook until bubbles form on the tops of the pancakes and the bottoms are golden brown. We'll also flip the pancakes and cook the other side. If you want thicker pancakes than this, you can reduce the amount of milk used in the recipe. And now we'll repeat the process until we use up all the pancake batter. I served these pancakes immediately and placed the remaining in a warm oven as everyone wanted more, but you can also store in the freezer and warm up when needed. So guys, this is how I make pancakes for a large family gathering and parties, and I hope you try out this recipe for your next large event. Thank you so much for watching, and please give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe and also share with a friend. It will help me a lot. See you in the next video and God bless. Bye bye.